This one-of-a-kind abode is nestled amidst the vast expanses that marries luxury with nature. This architectural marvel is built using shipping containers to create a beautiful double-story house with 3 cozy bedrooms, 2 lavish bathrooms, open-plan living, and lots of outdoor living spaces. The entrance opens into a delightful light-filled living space with unique design elements that meld perfectly with luxurious comfort. The open-plan concept of the living room creates a spacious and well-lit environment. The natural color palette combined with wooden details contributes to a warm and inviting space. On one end of the open-plan living area is a minimalist kitchen fitted with stainless steel appliances. The white cabinetry contrasts with the wooden textures and black hardware, creating a sleek, stylish appearance. A notable feature is the farmhouse sink with a tall faucet offering functionality with style. Worth noting is the floor-to-ceiling slit window that floods the kitchen with natural light. Next to the kitchen is a small but cozy dining space. The dining space is big enough to accommodate a dining table that can seat 4 or more depending on configuration. From the dining area is a cozy lounge space fitted with comfy sofas, a smart TV, and a floor mat to define the lounge area. The living room has got a wood-burning stove, which keeps the house warm during cold months. What makes the living room feel much bigger is the glass doors, which open onto a large terrace, which doubles the living space, creating an amazing indoor-outdoor living experience. Past the lounge area is the master ensuite. It is fitted with a comfortable queen bed with enough beddings. There is an office space, a closet, and a large window that illuminates the bedroom with natural light. The master bedroom is joined with a luxurious master ensuite with a bathroom fully equipped with a toilet, a modern wash and basin, a washing machine, and a glass shower cubicle. A barn door of the kitchen area opens into the second bedroom. It features a loft double bed, a sofa bed, which can also be used as a bed when needed to create additional sleeping space. Off the lounge area is a surprisingly spacious main bathroom. This stunning bathroom features a glass shower cubicle, a vanity, and a toilet. A bespoke spiral staircase leads to the upper story of the house. On the second floor is a small sitting area near the window, which offers a cozy spot to relax and enjoy the view. The glass cabinets allow for display and easy access, while the pink chairs add a touch of femininity and softness to the otherwise neutral color scheme. The vast expanse of windows ensures that the space is drenched in natural light, reinforcing a close connection to the outdoors. The third bedroom, which is located on the upper floor, is a picture of luxury with ample amount of cushions lining the cozy bed, illuminated by natural light, with floor-to-ceiling glass panels that offer breathtaking views to wake up to every morning. The interior walls are painted in light colors to make the spaces look bigger and brighter, creating that illusion of large indoor spaces. The container home stands majestically against the natural backdrop of Hartley lush landscapes. The home is painted in muted gray tones, seamlessly blending with its natural surroundings. The dual-level structure allows for an expansive view, with the upper windows perfectly positioned for stargazing or witnessing the sunrise. On the ground level, a broad wood deck extends out, equipped with outdoor seating, a perfect spot for morning coffee or evening barbecues. The sturdy metal railings add an industrial touch, juxtaposed beautifully with the organic surroundings. Furthermore, there is a subtle mix of manicured grass and natural terrain, giving it a haven for both relaxation and play. This amazing house is also listed as a guest house on Airbnb. Feel free to check it out using the links in the description below. Which part of this container home appeals to you the most? Kindly give us your opinion by posting in the comment section below. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and feel free to share it. You are encouraged to subscribe to our YouTube channel where we showcase the best of shipping container living from around the world. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Hello and welcome. If you love shipping container homes or you are planning on building one, on this channel we showcase amazing shipping container projects from around the world. If you like this kind of content, then feel free to subscribe to our YouTube channel for amazing weekly videos on shipping container projects.